The police might take your gun as evidence if you're ever involved in a defensive shooting. And the question we keep getting is, when or will I ever get it back? In this video, I'm breaking down what actually happens when firearms are involved in self-defense shooting. But first, quick reminder, we have a gun giveaway going on right now. You can enter for free, but it ends really soon. Just click the link in the description below to reveal which brand new gun you could win. All right, let's talk about what happens to your gun if you are involved in a self-defense shooting. Will you get it back? When will you get it back? What is the longest you've heard that police are holding a firearm? Do they compensate you? All of those topics. First thing that's going to happen is at the scene of a self-defense shooting, police are going to secure that entire scene. Cops arrive and they want to take control of the entire scene and make sure that nobody else gets hurt, especially the cop. And a gun that is used in self-defense, especially if you have shot somebody, that gun is going to be collected as evidence. They're going to take it. So depending on what happens with charges and all of the other investigation will determine whether or not and when you get that gun back. The gun is going to be cataloged and logged into evidence. They're going to record the serial number and take the picture and put it in the locker and do all the other stuff that they do in the back evidence locker area at the police department or sheriff's department or wherever they're taking it. So yes, you will eventually get your gun back, but understand this, it might take a long time. So people are talking about the Kyle Rittenhouse case. Kyle still hasn't gotten back that AR-15 rifle. Think about this, the very first legal self-defense shooting after concealed carry was implemented in the state of Wisconsin back in 2011, the man who shot the person legally and was completely exonerated took him more than 2 years to get your gun back. And understand, when that gun is gone, they're not going to compensate you for the time you are without your gun. They're taking that gun from you. Another question is, do they take all your ammo too, or do they take other guns from your house? Typically not. Typically, they're taking the piece of evidence that was used in that crime. But if there is very serious allegations or you are convicted of something and you can no longer own firearms, yes, they're going to make sure that you completely get rid of your guns and they're going to order you to get rid of them in that situation. So understand this. I've said before, a backup gun is the exact same kind of gun that came out of your holster, so that when police take your gun after a defensive shooting, you can go home, grab another gun that fits right in your holster and be carrying that gun. Yes, they're going to take your gun if you're involved in a defensive shooting. Yes, it's going to be a big, giant pain in the butt for you to try to get that gun back in some cases. It all depends on the attitude of the prosecutor and the areas where you're living. If you're living in an anti-gun state, they're going to keep that gun as long as they possibly can. You're going to have to fight to get it back. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. Quick reminder, one more time, we have a gun giveaway going on and it ends really soon. All you need to do is click the link in the description down below to learn which brand new gun you could win. I'm Kevin Michalowski, Director of Content for the U.S. Concealed Carry Association. If you enjoy videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. We will notify you every time something new comes out. Stay safe. We'll see you in the next video.